Okay, so here we are on sea. Of course you can see. We are out on sea. And we need to look for our treasure. Okay, we're gonna start by, look at the maps we're gonna have. They're doing that right now. We're gonna, discussing which way to go. Of course, and, I scouted 100 hours up there, looking for the right way to go. There's some maps up there. Okay, of course, we got our cannons on already. Of course, yeah, we got some cannons on already. Sorry about the hand there. And, you know what? Hey, driver. Yes, Captain. You know when we're going to be taking off pretty soon? We're going to be taking off pretty soon? I don't know. You know, I don't really know. Until they, give you the scroll and give me my command. And if they give me the scroll, then I'll start taking off. Not really say it. Okay. That's good. Okay, Captain, we know which way to go for the gold. Okay, perfect. You know which way to go? Yes, we just need to take this, poop up there. Sorry about the feet. Just need to go through that door. We need to destroy that border there. Okay, then we gotta go through that door. Then we'll find some gold. Okay. Okay, that's easy enough. Okay, but, how long do you think it will take? We must stay here for a day to grab up our goods. You know, our goods, you know. Okay, so, okay, we just need to get out some food, some weapons, and, some ammo. Okay, that's not too hard, right, you guys? No, we have a cargo ship on the way. That won't be too bad. Oh, okay. Huh? And so, how long would this cargo take? Oh, he will be here by, sundown. Okay, sundown is not that bad. How long would that take out? Oh, it won't take that long. Yeah, I just need some stuff. Okay, so, okay, we'll be sending off by tomorrow.